I'm looking for a replacement for my Glacier Bay GOBO 15C59M.
How long have you been dealing with this plumbing issue?
Recently, this weekend, after taking a shower, I went to turn off the hot water side and the plastic cartridge wound up in my hand and a large amount of water started to fly out of the wall.
What have you tried so far with your shower?
I went to find spare parts at HD, but they didn't have it. They didn't have the knowledge, nor did the part numbers, and broken parts help them either.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I think that's it. I see you have pictures of the shower faucet on your webpage. Can you help me?
My name is. I look forward to helping you. Just want a new cartridge?
The hot side. The diverted, because that next to go. Diverter. Cold side is in excellent shape.
Standby. https://www.amazon.com/ceramic cartridge glacier 412791 dan/dp/bo76rme4t.
Okay.
Stay safe as well.
Were the parts ordered for me, or do I go somewhere to buy them?
I only find parts and give advice. The link I posted will allow you to buy it from Amazon. The same part number will work anywhere that has it. Anything else?
I need this. Customer attachment April 15, 2028, 55 and 55 seconds p.m.
That's what I posted a link to.
Okay. I'll buy it. Hope it fits.
It will. Part of what you have out is an extension that you will use on the new part.
Customer attachment April 15, 2029, 06 and 28 seconds p.m.
That's correct.
Do you have a part number for the extension? The extension I have was damaged by the hot water knob.
Look what I found. https://www.tahlequahLumberCompany.com/shop/plumbing supplies/bath and shower parts/tub and shower parts/shower tub faucet extension/home impressions hot cold faucet extension. SKU equals 459666.
Wow. Spot on. How do you do that?
Magic and years of researching this stuff.
Now I'll buy this and the other part you recommended, and I should be good to go.
Yes.
I will order it now and keep you posted with my progress. It will be a while, as I've noticed delivery of packages has been much slower than normal. BTW, you'll get the highest score from me.
Sounds good.
Thanks again and have a good night.
You too.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.